A few weeks ago, I was with Mr. Chinkee and we got to talking about collections. This is the one thing that he actually encouraged me to go and buy. That's what we're going to talk about today. Hi there! Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. In this channel, well, this is my personal channel. I talk about the things that I like and the things that I love. It's all about my life, my style, and a little bit about my lifestyle. And I am into sneakers, toys, and a lot of other stuff. So if you're interested in anything like that, you can hit subscribe and hit that bell icon. Now, like I said in the intro kanina, we met again, actually for the fifth time, ni Sir Chinkee. I feel compelled to call him Tito, no? Kasi it's been a good year of like having a good mentor style relationship with him. He's one of the people that's super concerned about the way I price my books and my services. But anyway, another topic and for another time. And we got to talking about the things that I buy and things that I collect. And I told him that I'm a lot into art then, especially the local stuff. So I do support local artists like yun nga, Happy Garahe. I already talked about one of their products, one of their artworks before, si Kapitana. If you haven't seen that video, lilink ko na lang din dito sa taas sa I button. And nung nag-usap kami, I told him na I was collecting Funko Pops. Tapos sabi niya, ay naku, mabagal lang turnover ng Funko Pops. And this is a man that we all know is a great financial advisor. So sabi ko sa kanya, parang, ganun po ba? Actually, sabi ko, I've been thinking about getting bear bricks kasi nakita ko sa likod mo. Sa background nyo po, in a lot of your videos, may bear bricks kayo. And then, he livened up, ta sabi niya parang, yeah, oo, totoo kasi daw, when it comes to collecting toys, yung bear bricks, na-prove niya na you never really lose money in it. Bakit? Kasi, at the very least, you can resell it at retail. Ibig sabihin ko ano yung original price, usually the price that you get it, ganun ba rin siyang mabibenta. For the others, nagsa-skyrocket yung prices. And he actually showed me yung some of his personal collection din. Now, matagal ko nang tinitingnan yung mga bear bricks. Kaya lang kasi sinisip ko, parang una sa lahat, saan ko ilalagay? Wala ba masyadong space, malito yung kwarto ko. And then second na problem is, medyo a little bit on the expensive side na siya. Compared sa Funko Pops, which I already collect. Pero thinking about it kasi, halos ganun na rin naman yung presyo ko kasi bibili ako ng maraming Funko Pops. So, naisip ko, sige, I'll dive right into it na rin. So, yun yung reason kung bakit ako bumili. Kasi parang naging go signal ko yung sinabi ni Tito Chinkee doon na, sige, maganda yung investment na yan. Now, there are two bear bricks na nakikita ko sa websites na pwede kong mabili. Na lagi ko ina-add to cart tapos hindi ko actually binibili kasi naisip ko pa kung bibiling ko siya or anything like that. And those two are right here na with me right now. There's actually one na I was planning on getting pero sold out na siya nung binalikan ko. So, ito yung dalawa na nandun pa. Sabi ko, I won't lose the opportunity na kukunin ko na sila. Okay? So, I'll show you them isa-isa. The first one is this. Ito yung bear brick na Space Invaders. And if hindi kayo familiar with the game na Space Invaders, you probably are too young. And kung 90s kid naman kayo, you should know about this. This is one of the games na I remember sa Evergood test ko pa. Pumupunta kami sa Commonwealth as a family. And my lolo, my late lolo, he would give us money to play, me and my sisters. And noon yung panel ng bear brick ng Space Invaders, flat pa siya. Alam niyo yun, yung parang sa mga Pac-Man. Flat siya, hindi siya yung nakatayong screen. Tapos you would play. Space Invaders was one of those games. So when I saw na meron pa nito and available pa siya, at 90s nostalgia ang nag-hit sa akin. So sabi ko, kukunin ko talaga siya. So I'll open this box out for you guys so you can see yung laman. For this type ng collection ay hindi ako nangingimi or nag-hesitate na buksan siya kasi ano yung point? I mean, you collect because you want to have them and then kung ikikip mo na siya sa box, why? And actually, when eventually, hopefully, I get a place of my own studio talaga, of course, i-display natin ito. So, ito na siya. Yan. So, I'm actually quite scared na lagyan siya ng fingerprints. But again, this is mine. This is mine. So, okay lang yan. Anyway, ito yung issue niya. So, yan siya. Is he yung bear brick na form. And then, sa likod, may nakalagay na Space Invaders. Ayan siya. Okay, so nandun yung everything naman that you're looking for just to see kung siya original ay kompleto. Kasi original talaga siya. Ito yung tinatawag na 400%. Kasi may mga, ang sizes niya ay nasa percentage. So, for example, yung 100% is a little smaller like that. Ito yung 400%. Merong 1000% which is yung malaki talaga. And yun, wala pa akong space for that. So, sabi ko hanggang 400% na muna ako. This is yung Space Invader. So, ang love ko about it are the details. If you can see right here. Andito yung mga aliens na kalaban. Di ba? Tapos, ito yung player nasa ilalim. Tapos, kasi di ba, mabaril siya basically eh. So, very 8-bit yung dating. Kasi nga, yun yung graphics ng Space Invaders. Wala na, nakakatuwa. Di ba? I mean, looking at it, just brings back a lot of great memories from my childhood. So, ito yung aking unang beer brick, yung Space Invaders. Itatabi ko lang muna siya dito sa, yan, sa harap. And then, we'll open up yung second box. Yung second box comes in a shoebox. Kasi it's a blend of, again, two things I love, which are toys, collectibles, and sneakers. So, nakalagay sa harap, Atmos Soul Box. Tapos, natutuwa pa ako kasi yung gray na color niya na parang marble type. Tapos, purple. Actually, purple to eh. Parang lilac yung color. Which is, like, ito yung kulay or shade na ginagamit ko for graphics ng Team Lyqa and stuff like that. Kasi purple talaga yung favorite kong color. Yung klaseng shade na yan, yung medyo subtle lang. Hindi sobrang sumisigaw na pink, hindi sumisigaw na blue masyado. Yan yung gusto ko. So, buksan natin siya. Naka-shoebox type siya na box. Hindi katulad nung kanina, na standing box siya na parang toy talaga. This is different. Tapos, pag tinanggal mo siya, yung cover comes like this. Ay! Ay! This. Ay! Ay! Siyempre, kasama lagi yung may nalalaglag. Now, don't worry. It's still okay. It's still 100% intact. Yun yung maganda sa bear bricks. Para siya actually Lego pieces. Para siyang Lego pieces. You can click them into place. So, pwede mo siyang iupo. Like this one. Pwede siyang magtaas ng kamay. Ayan. Para siyang Lego piece. So, ito yung 400%. Nakalagay dito. Atmos Soul Box. And then, sa, na siya, parang marble type. Parang ano ba to? Parang lava-esque na animal print din ang dating. So, yan yung bear. And, ang cute dito is, may actually bonus siya kasi meron din siyang kasamang 100%. So, dito kalaki yung 100%. Yan. So, parang mini-me siya nitong malaki. So, if you put them side by side, ganyan yung proportion niya. Mas malaki definitely yung 400%. There. Yan. So, ito, pareho sila ng size. Yan. There you go. So, kung i-display mo sila, you can do it like that. Magkakatabi sila and then you collect. So, they're my first ever bear bricks. I'm thinking probably not my last. Kasi just having them on hand, honestly, akala ko sobrang flimsy niya. But it's actually quite sturdy. Not as heavy as I thought it will be. But it's really, really nice. Oh, ang ganda niya tingnan. Diba? Very simple yung idea na may ganitong silhouette ka lang. May ganitong form. Tapos you just get creative with how you make them. Diba? It's so nice. And imagine, diba, if you have things that you love, and then you can have this. Actually, yung isa sa mga dream pieces ko right now is yung kay Basket na ganito. I love the guy. I love his work. I love what he stood for. There's something that endears me to Jean-Michel basket. And that's the reason why I actually got my aking crossbody na Herschel na basket na bag. I wanted to have yung basket na ganito, pero it's probably going to be too expensive na for me kasi medyo matagal na siyang na-release. So, tignan natin, gawin natin siyang grill piece. Maybe someday, not in the immediate future, pero baka mapag-ipunan ko na makakuha ko ng ganong klaseng bear brick. We'll see. Okay? So, that's it muna for now. If you like this video, like it, subscribe if you want more. Don't forget hit that bell icon kasi there are more videos coming up. And if you want more of this, let me know if may mga requests kayo ng content na pwede kong gawin in this channel. All of the personal stuff will be here, including yung mga personal advice, life advice din, na hindi related sa exam at sa pagkuha ng work, which are on my other channel, sa Team Lyqa channel. If you're into that content, you can check that out. Kung hindi nyo pa alam na nakalipat na tayo sa mas mas dedicated na channel when it comes to educational videos, you can check that out. The links will be in the description box din sa baba. Alright? So, thank you guys for watching, and like I always tell you guys, if you don't have money to buy stuff, that's okay. Now, just in case you can't afford to buy these things right away, that's okay. I had to wait decades before I was able to save up enough to buy stuff that I want. So, if you're not in that position right now, don't fret, huwag kayong ma-disappoint or anything like that, just work. And as I always say dito sa channel na ito, dream high, work hard, start now. Thanks guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.